The Flames of Despair, California Wildfires. Opening scene, a panoramic view of Los Angeles. The city buzzes with energy, a symbol of dreams realized under the Californian sun. But slowly, the camera pans to a haunting orange glow on the horizon, with thick plumes of smoke creeping into the sky. The scene shifts into the heart of devastation, a wildfire consuming trees and homes alike, its roar audible as the screen darkens. Narrator, calm yet heavy with emotion. California, the land of dreams, opportunity, and endless sunshine. But today, all that shimmers has turned to despair. On the outskirts of Los Angeles, wildfires, fierce and unforgiving, are devouring everything in their path, leaving families displaced and hope fragile. A 3D animated family hurriedly flees their home. Amid the chaos, the camera zooms in on a young girl clutching tightly to her teddy bear. Her parents, overwhelmed but determined, race to load belongings into their car. The fire looms closer, relentless in its advance. Narrator, somber tone. For some, the battle is against the fire, threatening to steal their memories, their homes, their cherished lives. For others, it is a desperate fight for survival, a race against time, with their worlds teetering on the edge of destruction. Close up, 3D animation shows firefighters engulfed by flames as they battle the inferno, faces smeared with soot, hoses spraying forcefully, bodies working through exhaustion. The camera lingers on their expressions of unyielding determination. Narrator. Heroes wear uniforms, not capes. These firefighters harness every ounce of courage and strength in a grueling fight against nature's rage. Look at them. Their hands are blistered, their bodies drained. Yet their spirit burns brighter than the fire they face. A drone view captures the scorched remnants of a neighborhood. Ash blankets what once were homes. The camera moves to a displaced family sitting outside a relief center. A child clings to their parent, while the siblings huddle together, their eyes filled with confusion and loss. Narrator, voice breaking slightly. In just hours, entire lives are reduced to ashes, a lifetime of memories, their warmth now replaced with cold despair. But even amidst this unthinkable tragedy, hope refuses to die. It exists in the smallest gestures, like the embrace of a parent or a kind hand offering comfort. Relief workers hand out blankets, supplies, and comforting words to survivors. A child is seen smiling gently as they are handed a small toy, a single glimmer of happiness breaking through days of sorrow. Narrator hopeful. This is not simply a tale of destruction. It is a profound story of resilience rising from despair. Communities come together, offering solace, solidarity, and strength. This is humanity at its finest, rebuilding not just homes, but hearts. What can we do to help? Individuals reduce waste at home, and donations pour into wildfire relief funds. People of all ages, young and old, are shown contributing to the cause, their efforts small yet monumental. Narrator, urgent yet encouraging. The future? It belongs to us, to our actions, our choices. We cannot stop wildfires overnight, but together we can plant the seeds of change. By reducing waste, supporting relief efforts, and nurturing our planet, we take steps toward preventing these fires and protecting generations to come. A slow zoom out from the scorched forest floor, now speckled with tiny new sprouts, to the skyline of Los Angeles as dawn breaks. The golden rays of the sun illuminate the city, signaling possibilities of renewal and a brighter future. Narrator, let us remember this. There is no force greater than the strength of the human spirit and the power of unity. Together, we can ensure that these flames remain a distant memory. Let's create a tomorrow where such tragedies belong only to history. Subscribe to Information Hub for more impactful stories and updates. Share this video to spread hope and awareness. The narrative highlights the devastation caused by the California wildfires, showcasing families fighting for survival, the bravery of firefighters, and the resilience of communities coming together to support those affected, ultimately urging collective action to prevent future tragedies. Narrator warm and reassuring. Help us spread the word and inspire change. Subscribe to Information Hub for powerful stories that move minds and hearts. Together we can learn, grow, and make a difference. Closing scene, a 3D animated logo of Information Hub emerges with the tagline, "Knowledge at your fingertips." Credits text. This video was brought to life with the help of AI tools and creative storytelling. Special thanks to Fliki AI for the animation support. Music fades as the screen dissolves into black, leaving behind a flicker of possibility and hope.